Actually, I'm going to grab a chair because I'm going to use a chair for a little bit of this one as well. I've got one at the side. Okay, so, alright, just a little bit of a little balance in the morning. Okay, so let's just have our feet shoulder width apart and just go up on the toes. Just see if you can just go up on the toes nice and gently. Now, I could have the chair around the other way, which is probably sensible. So I can hold on to it. Okay, up on the toes, it's very early morning. Please bear with me. Up on the toes. And you don't have to use the chair for balance if you want. Arms out to the side and then just come back down on the heels. Okay, just roll back and forward on the feet. Roll back and forward. Slight bend through the knees. Okay. Good. Alright, we're going to do that one again. Use the chair if you need, or arms out to the side. That gives you the best balance. Arms here. Okay. Rolling up and coming up onto the toes, using that. Or the wall, if you want, you can be just leaning against a wall, not a problem. Up on the toes. See how you go. If you want to try without, give it a shot. It's quite interesting sometimes. Up on the toes and then coming back down. Good. Alright, just give the legs a little bit of a break here. Okay, so this time what we're going to do is you're going to step your right leg forward just a bit. So feet are still at least shoulder width apart, but the right leg is forward. Alright, so hands on the chair if you need, or against the wall. I'm going to try without, I'm going to see how I go. Right, and going up on the toes, arms out to the side first to get your balance. Always try to find that point somewhere that's not moving. So what they call we all call a drishti point. Just try to focus on that one point to keep your balance. Use the chair if you need. Staying up on the toes and then coming back down. Okay, just a little roll around. I can call a little rock, forward, back, whatever you need to do. And we're going to do that one again. Okay, so remember your right leg is ahead of your left leg. Arms out to the side or holding onto the chair, or even here if you like. Give that a shot. Just try different things. It's always good to try different things, see how you go. Staying up on the toes, keeping the balance, looking at that drishti point. And 3, 2, and 1. Coming back down. Good. Shake out the legs a little bit. Give them a little shake. We're going to go the other side. Alright, so your left leg is going to be ahead. It's about, my toes about level with the back of my foot. Right? But you can go wherever you like, but just don't go too far apart with the legs. Alright, but at least shoulder width apart, as you can see on the camera. Okay, lifting up. I'm going to use the chair. I'm going to try that one. And then I'm going to try that one. Ooh. Just play around with it, because it doesn't really matter what you do. Staying up on the toe seating, you can go up a little bit higher. And then rolling back down, rolling back down. Good, just go back and forward, whatever you need to do, just a little bit of movement through the legs, through the hips. Here we go. Coming back up again, lifting up, keeping your balance, trying to stay tall, finding the drishti point, focusing. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Okay, give it a little bit of a shake, whatever you need to do. Alright, so from here, still using the chair if you need, or not, whatever. You're going to just putting your weight on your left leg, your right leg is going to come out to the front, just on the toe. And you can stay there, or just lift it. I like pointing my toe, it just feels just sort of right for me. Lifting that leg off the floor, just holding it there for a short moment. Slight bend in this leg here that's holding the weight. Keeping nice and tall. Remember, arms out to the side if you need. Good, hold it there, kick it out and bring it down. Oh, I went a bit wobbly there, that's okay, shake it out. All right, so right leg kicked out. Good, so left leg's going to kick out this time. All right, so right leg takes the weight. Okay, find your balance, left leg comes to the front, lifting up the leg, holding it there, holding onto the chair if you need as well, because you don't want to fall, just feel safe, okay? So if you need the chair, hold onto the chair, and then we're going to stay here for a little bit, keeping your balance, and then we're going to kick it out, and then bring it back down. Good. Should we do that one more time? I think we will. All right, shoulders back, shoulders down. Sometimes I think my arms are a bit uneven. I may have to look in the mirror a little bit more when I'm doing this. Shake out the hands, shake out the legs. Here we go. Back to the first leg. So your right leg is going to come out to the front this time. Right leg out to the front, arms out to the side if you need, arms here if you want. Shall I give that a go? Let's give it a go. You don't have to, just do what you feel is right for you. Knee up, keeping balance, looking at the drishti point. Always can just put the toe back onto the floor anytime. We'll just do little taps like this as well. If you're finding that difficult, just hold it. 3, 2, 1, and kicking it out and bringing it down. And then we're going to go to the other leg. Okay. So left leg's coming out to the front, just tap to the floor if you need, just stay there, or just little taps. We're lifting up. Holding it here, or wherever is working for you. I've given you lots of options there, so just do whatever feels right for you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and kicking it out and bringing down. Good, excellent work. Shake the legs out. Okay, so for this one you're going to need a little bit of a wall or a chair. You will probably, but if you don't as well, that's good. Just whatever works. I'm going to use the chair, but obviously just use a wall or something. We're going to grab hold of, flick that leg up, flick your right leg up, and just hold onto your foot if you can, okay? Try to keep the knees fairly close together and lifting up tall through the spine. So once you're here, and if you feel your balance is okay, release from the chair and put the arm, oh yeah, I need the chair for a moment. Okay, arm out to the side, just keeping your balance. Just hold it there, nice stretch down the front of that leg. 3, 2, and 1, bringing that one down. A little bit of a shake, and we'll go to that other leg. So in order for me to do that other leg, I'm going to use the wall here. Using the wall, just standing up tall, flicking that leg up, grabbing hold of the foot, grabbing hold of near the toes. Knees, try to get your knees fairly close together here, and then lifting up through the spine, stay nice and tall. As you get more flexible, you'll be able to pull that foot in towards your bottom more and push the hip, the same hip, forward, just to increase the stretch, but still stay nice and tall. I'm just going to go there. That feels right for me today. I'm not going to push it too hard. Obviously, if you don't need to use the wall, don't use the wall. You can have your hands at the side or on the hips. 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right, just give it a little bit of a shake. A little bit of a shake. Okay, we're going. I did say balance. We're going to do a little bit of, actually, tiny little bit of strength here. Okay, I've got to get my chair. Turn my chair around. I'm going to use the seat of my chair. So hopefully if you've got a chair there of some form. And if not, I'll show you how to do this without it. We're just going to do the triangle pose. So get your foot, your left leg is going to go towards where the chair is. All right, the other leg comes out, not too wide, okay? So just about here, and we angle that foot. That foot's angled. Lifting up, nice and tall. So legs are straight, but not locked, okay? So fairly straight. Arms come out to the side here, and then we just reach to the side, pushing this hip away. We've got to push the hip away, reaching out, and then we come down. See, if you haven't got a chair here, just put your hands somewhere on your thigh and lifting the arm up. Okay, now I know that when you see it, you see other videos of people, like advanced people or even intermediates, they'll be coming down here. Let's just stay here. And because my hand's here, I'm not going right up. But if you want to, you can, but you can go at just this angle. Now the other idea with having the chair is if you've got the chair, you can put your hand on the pad, and then arm is just like coming out from evenly, okay? So if I was here, it wouldn't be even, but I'm about even there, aren't I? I think so. Okay, pushing the hip away and looking forward. So really reaching through those fingertips, stretching out. Remember, if you haven't got the chair, you can just go there, that's fine. And then we're going to come back up to center. How did you go with that? Hopefully. Okay, I'm going to move my chair to the other side. You don't have to do that. You can just turn to the other side. I'm just going to put my chair down here. Okay, my foot's near there. My foot's straight towards the chair. This other leg is further out and angled. All right, I'm here. Arms are out to the side. Nice and tall. Slight bend through the knees, but not much. It's pretty straight. I'm going to reach out first, reaching out before I come down. Coming down, arm comes up. So really pushing that hip away, opening the chest. You don't want to do this. You don't want to come there. You want your shoulder to be back. Sorry, I instantly go up here. Let's just go here. Level with the arm down on the chair. If you want, and as you're getting better with it, you can come further down and reaching right up. But always remember to keep the shoulder back. But we're just going to go there today, going to be kind, or here. Three, two, and one. Coming back up, bending the legs, bringing them back in, giving them a shake. One last time, let's just go up on our toes here for today. Reaching up going up onto the toes. This time the hands are going to come above the head. See how you go. Use the wall if you need though. Up on the toes, reaching up. 3, 2, and 1. Coming down. Good work. Thanks for joining me. Give your legs a shake. Well done. Getting a bit of balance into our life is a good thing. And I will catch you next time.